When you hear a judge say you're good to go, it's like, oh, okay, I can do as I please.
Yeah.
You're going to be arrested for violating the order of protection.
Fred Jackson left Bridgeview Court believing his order of protection had expired. The judge said you're good to go. The database showed it still active. This analysis examines 4 legal issues: the protected place designation, good faith database reliance under Herring, the gap between a court's verbal ruling and a leads update, and the order of protection versus trespass distinction.
Subject. Hey, what's up, partner? Were you just at Home Depot? Yeah. What's your name? Fred Jackson.
I just got out of the court case today.
Okay.
I was at Bridgeview today. Showed up. They said you're good to go. So.
Good to go where?
Oh, Home Depot. You know?
Okay.
Because the order of protection ended today at 9 a.m. So.
It ended today, 9 a.m.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Do you have any ID on you, sir? Just to verify that? Because obviously we got a call saying that you were over there. You're not wanted.
311. You guys are doing your job.
Yep.
2 seconds. It's right here.
311. You live here in town?
Yeah.
Do you have your court paperwork with you by any chance? No.
It's like, it's done. I don't need no more.
So there's 2 different things, right? If you were trespassed by the store before, that's one thing, and then order protection is another thing. So,
yes. So for the trespassing situation, now I don't know about that, but I know for a fact the order protection ended today.
okay. So you were never trespassed by a police officer or by their management over there?
Yes, I was.
You were? Okay. So.
But then I believe that trespass ended today as well, to my furthest knowledge. Unless you could tell me the law, which is different, unless trespass is trespass and banned for life. Or...
Yeah, that's essentially what it is.
Really?
Yes.
So if you got to take me away.
Okay. I gotcha. Just sit tight for me here. Let me verify a few things, and we'll go from there, okay? Sit tight with my partner.
Sounds good.
Central 704 file.
Were you trying to purchase something today? Yeah? What were you looking for?
J. John 250-2409-9219.
I'm just curious.
Just daily, free coffee and some soap and dish detergent and stuff for the house.
So what happened? You went there and they're like, you can't be here, and you left? Okay.
Just follow the rules.
Yeah.
I used to work there for 5 years, and I can't keep going there anymore. So, who doesn't like me people?
Honestly, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
You got everything you need, so.
Exactly. And when you live down the block, it's like, oh, I just take a walk.
Yeah.
So,
but if you're not allowed there, then you probably shouldn't go there.
I'll respect the law, but at the same token, I thought that ended today. So.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought the trespassing, the order protection, I thought it all ended today. I literally just got out of court at 9 a.m.
Oh, today? Okay.
Yeah, so I thought it, when you hear a judge say you're good to go, it's like, oh, okay, I can do as I please.
Yeah, well, like my partner said, partner said, is an order of protection and a trespass is different.
Mm-hmm.
I guess the easiest way to explain it is like the trespass is more of a local thing. Right. So
you gotta respect the law.
I'm assuming you went to Bridgeview for the order of protection, right? So that's order of protection is Bridgeview's thing.
Mm-hmm.
The trespass is kind of our local thing, right? So.
And I'm an ILCS resident. I graduated from Marist, and I'm gonna listen to ILCS. So.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I appreciate you being cool with us.
I appreciate all you guys protecting us.
Nope.
Airport. Hello, I'm fine.
You live like right down the street or something?
I'm better.
Van Beveren? Oh, you kind of got to walk still, though.
I mean, did it. I don't complain.
Yeah, it's too cold, man.
See, I don't complain though. That I don't.
Better than me.
When you complain, you'll
Yeah,
get cold.
correct. Yeah, that's true. That's true.
So you just gotta
Say it's warm
smile
out.
and look at the sun.
Yeah, you say it's warm out, then
Yeah.
it's warm.
Yeah.
Parking complaint, 9200 Lasky.
820.
I hope this is my buddy.
820 on parking complaint.
Right there, going around my sergeant?
He's going to be in the back of
It's
the
my buddy.
building in the parking lot.
Oh, my sergeant is your buddy?
It's going to be a white van and a white
I like
Chevy.
this guy. He's a good guy.
How you know him?
No plates
He's a
on
good
either
guy.
vehicle.
You
know? I think he'll be able, if he steps out, you know.
He's probably not gonna step out. It's probably too cold.
Yeah, I don't blame him. But when you, after all this, you just go up to him and you ask him, like, do you like muzzle loader cigars?
Okay.
Ask him that.
Are you sure that's the right guy there?
Ask him. Ask him.
All right.
When we're done, you know.
Yeah.
You're like, hey, you like muzzle loader? That guy told me muzzle loader cigars are the best. Excuse me, pause. Remember, ask him about muzzle loader cigars. Remember that.
I'll remember.
All right, partner. Do you know who? So there's a temporary order of protection that's still active right now, and Home Depot is a protected place.
Home Depot is the protected place.
Yeah, meaning you can't be there.
Understood.
So, let me just verify something with my other partner, because it doesn't say anything about trespass.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm like, that shouldn't be the case, but I respect, when a rule is given, I respect this.
Okay.
And the law.
Do we have any weapons on you or anything on there? But you said you were at Home Depot then, right?
I was, yes, I was.
Okay.
What are the next steps?
So, obviously you can't be at Home Depot, so you do have to come. So you're going to come with us. Obviously, you're going to be arrested for violating the order of protection. That being said, obviously you're going to more than likely see a judge tomorrow morning and kind of go from there, okay?
So I'll be chilling.
701, I'll be heading back to your location.
4 copies. All right, so here let's do this by other than your jacket, do you have your sweater, right? Here, I'm just gonna pat you down real quick for any weapons.
Do your thing.
So if you don't mind me asking, why'd you go to Home Depot?
Because I just got off the bus and then simply said, okay, it's a little cold out. I think I'm gonna get a coffee and grab my errands rather than stepping back out and enjoying the day. So just get my early errands out the way. Dish soap, detergent.
But you went to court today for this.
Yep.
And you have no court paperwork with you?
Nope. Because I just knew that I have pictures of you, so
Yeah.
if that helps.
Unfortunately, like our side of things, it's still showing that it's still an active order of protection. That location.
information, so
I have to go based on what we see.
yeah, law is law.
Just your phone there.
Yep, this car keys. Yeah, my friend's car, it's not mine.
Not your car.
So I gotta give it back to him.
No,
Take it.
you're fine. Here, let's talk. Put your jacket back on. It's a little chilly here.
Thanks.
All right, so we're just gonna. So how'd you get? So you rode the bus all the way to Bridgeview? Yep. Okay. Here, we're gonna wait for my other partner to see what do you got going on here. But here, I'm gonna put some cuffs on you. We're just gonna detain you for the time being.
Front, back.
Yeah.
All right.
Here, let's go into my partner's car here, so that way you're not the cold. I know it's a little chilly. Where do you live?
Van Bever. You have my ID, sir.
Yes, I got that. Central 704, Mark 1 detained. We're gonna go on the other side.
10-4, 1 detained at 11:35.
Under 750 ILCS 60/214, an Illinois order of protection can designate specific locations as protected places that the other body RS. Restrained person is absolutely prohibited from entering, regardless of purpose. Home Depot was designated as a protected place in Fred's order. His intent buying soap and coffee is legally irrelevant to the presence-based prohibition. The violation is complete at the moment of entry into the protected location. Under Herring versus United States, 555 U.S. 135, an arrest based in good faith on law enforcement database records is constitutionally valid, even if those records later prove outdated, provided the error was not caused by systemic police negligence. Officers confirmed the Leeds database showed the order still active. Their reliance on that record was constitutionally appropriate, regardless of what Bridgeview Court said that morning. A judge's verbal statement begins the termination process. It does not complete it. An order of protection is terminated by a written court order that is clerked, transmitted, and updated in Leeds. The gap between the judge's words and the database update is the legal space in which this arrest occurred. Without certified court documentation, officers cannot act on a verbal claim over an active database record. Illinois does not recognize a general good faith belief defense to order of protection violations. The statute requires knowing violation but appearing at a designated protected place while the order is active. Satisfies this even without criminal intent. Fred's genuine belief may support mitigation at sentencing and could support a motion to dismiss at arraignment if certified court records confirm the order was terminated before he entered the store. If Fred's account is accurate, defense counsel's first action at arraignment is straightforward. Obtain certified copies of the Bridgeview Court's December 30th proceedings and establish that the order was terminated before Fred entered Home Depot. If confirmed, the charge should be dismissed. Under Herring, the arrest itself survives constitutional challenge, regardless the validity of the arrest and the viability of the charge are two legally independent questions. Case disposition is unknown. Officers receive an A patient, legally, accurate, compassionate, correctly distinguish the OP from the trespass. Notice, proper leads reliance. No errors. Fred Jackson receives a B. Genuine good faith, completely cooperative, articulate, and respectful. Grade reduced. For visiting a protected place on the same morning as his court hearing without obtaining certified documentation before leaving the courthouse. 3 takeaways. First, a judge's verbal ruling begins the termination process. It does not complete it. Leads must be updated. Second, an order of protection and a trespass notice are independent instruments. Court terminating one does not terminate the other. Third, always obtain certified court documentation before leaving the courthouse on the day an order is resolved. Do not visit a previously protected location without it. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.